We came out and with the president and some of the executive members to meet the mother of a child that was killed again on the Cape Flats.
He said, Mommy, it's other man's 40 nights, 40 days in Bendikresen. Come I take for Musfira, his brother, and his sister Musfira and Nadir. Come I take them. A split second after they went out, the two shots went off. When we came by the pavement side, then the fourth one went off, but we couldn't see from which side or whatever. But then I looked up in the road, and Nadir and Musfira came running down, and this guy came walking down the road. En Musfira started shouting, Mommy, dat is shoot vir Faisal. Hy kan nie net my kind gewees het, daar was klomp kinders in die pad, het kan enige iemand se kind gewees het, you understand? Because those guys were shooting on each other, you know? But my son died. The people they were shooting on, they're still alive.
Sê my sister, ons is hier saam met u. Ons gaat die pyn vir wat u voel, but we know more or less how you feel. But ons is ook ouers soos u ouers is. So we feel it with you. But ek gaan vir u sê, die is nie iets net vir die MJC nie. Die is nie iets net vir die Muslim Judicial Council nie. Ons het laaste keer het ons in 24, ek dink was January 24, toe was ons in Beacon Valley gewees vir die meisie kind Firdaus wat geskiet is daar. En so was daar baie kinders wat die deur gaan. En daar met ons meetings gehad oor gangsterism. Ons het even die acting minister van police gehad by die MJC, wat 'n commitment. And now I address our acting minister, Feroz Kachalia. Professor, we are still going through the same thing. We are experiencing the same thing. We see the pain of mothers and families of what innocent children. We are speaking about a boy by the name of Muhammad Faisal, an 11-year-old boy that was shot through gangsterism that is happening. It is imperative that the South African Police Service accepts that this must happen immediately. We cannot withhold this. We cannot push it back. We've had many gangsterism meetings. We've had many clergy, Muslim, Christian clergy that has come together, and we need to push forward with a plan that your Honourable Self had said that we will do.
Sister, I don't think any words can, kom ons van dit sê, ons gee ons 'n medegevoel wat dit idee gaan.
Die government need om protection te kry vir die kinders in die communities. As like kyk for example, nou, as 'n gangster nou geskiet word of 'n merchant word nou gery of whatever, nou, dan het gaat viral. Like really, it gaat viral. But die van my kind se dood as like
This again is a cross-section of what's happening on the Cape Flats. A couple of months ago we were here and we rallied people around the crime aspect, especially on the Cape Flats and Mitchell's Plain. But it continues unabated. A mother again loses a child. How many more must be lost?